So this is one of the gates that people really use. Okay, this gate is just close to the building that fell in the international market. You can see we just passed the building. Okay, the roof fell. They've cleared everywhere. Probably they are planning to work on it very soon. I don't know how soon though. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Is your girl Helen Konko as usual. Okay, so this one that we are coming from one of the rarest gates people follow in this international market. So okay, so we are going to be coming from this back. In our first vlog we came from the main gate and we passed through the warehouse. Then all this side there's no shop around this side, but today this is I think June 8th that I made this video. Okay, on a Saturday, whichever one that is June 8th or June 9th. So I'm going to show you guys how this side looks like. Okay, so let's get into the video as we drive into our market, our most precious market. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you're new. Okay, and to my returning subscribers, God bless you guys. Okay, I really appreciate your love, care, support all these years. Okay, God bless you. So we are starting this video now. Okay, this is the main gate where we usually come in from in our previous video. Okay, this is the main gate. So I'm not saying that I will go and show you guys down there. There is pedestrian bridge across the international market that is coming down towards this side. Okay, I don't know if there is a place to park around that side, so let's drive towards the pedestrian bridge. No. So this part of the market, these three buildings majorly anyway, is what they call the electronic line. Okay, those selling electronic are basically here inside this market. This place, I can't climb here. Can I climb here?
Climb what?
This place.
That's where you used to enter from.
This place.
Thorn, that place is too small.
It's too small.
You can enter, but you just have to be
big for keke.
You have to straighten the tires.
So this is the pedestrian bridge. Okay, they just built it so that people can just drive into the walk from the other side of the road.
When you did it?
It's been long now. I think it's Dave Mai that did this bridge. Yes, this pedestrian bridge. But I guess it's way for that completed it because I think I've not seen them this painting and all this design, or maybe he has paid for everything. So after he left, they completed it. I don't really know, Sha. I'm just saying that they've painted it now, Sha. Will I call that decoration?
That's their flag. Yeah, their flag. It's their normal flag now.
So,
rainbow
like
color.
You know, Saturday is always my husband say rainbow color. Ebonyi flag, Abby. Don't mind my subscribers. One of them wrote that is rainbow color. When I did that Zambo flyover video, person said this rainbow color that Ebonyi government like painting. Okay. Hey, I've not sent his money. That's why he's calling.
Who is that?
For this money. Yakuri Bantura Kobafa Yakuri. It's like he wants to use it. No. Let me check my GT before his account number so I can send it.
This is which side is
right.
What is this?
This one is okay, Tabari. Alright, Bakumi. I have to pack and send him his money. That I'm driving is not an excuse.
They're not parked on the road.
No, let me park to the other side now.
See where cars are parked, that's where you park. Where you park where they go you.
I tell you, the rate at which they hold people in this market sometimes is somehow.
You want to park here, do the transfer.
Let me park here since I can see other cars parked here. That one safe that they held me. I saw other cars parked too, and I parked there. I didn't know that is the same people. Kochopo, na the same people. You know that which you go a good joke. Front. Let me pass front.
Want to enter like this?
Yes, let me enter front.
Road no dey here now. You can enter like that.
There's road there.
To where?
See road there. See road there. That's how you don't want me to pass there.
There's road there. Let's go straight forward before you turn your hand come the way you go.
Ha, that you saw. You always want to teach me as if it's today I'm driving. Like when you go to Lagos, wherever you travel like this, it's like I'm sure you will be praying inside your mind that God should help my wife.
Are you sure they're able to pass here?
There's road, motor they pass, but if you like say, so you know, say this is now weekend markets. So maybe they bring out market.
Oh yeah, Opaya, they will see that
of main road.
together.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
So I noticed something peculiar with the market, okay? Majority of the people that sell outside the market during the weekends, you see them almost trying to block the road, okay? Trying to bring out, I don't know if the other person is thinking that they are not seeing it if it's not close to the road. They just keep increasing every day, okay? But it happens majorly during the weekend or evening. In the evening, once it's getting late, you start seeing people bringing out their markets for people to see and buy it. So I don't know if it's like that in other markets. If it's like that, please drop it at the comment section. Let's have interactions, okay? But if it's just peculiar to this market, also let us know that it's just peculiar to our market, our country, or our state, okay? So, but I've noticed this is what is happening in the market. Do you know that is this pomo that those piri people buy? This pomo skin, animal skin, cow skin. That one that you see that is black and flat is this animal skin. They come here, buy it, they go and soak it. As in
it's very expensive now. It's not like it's in Lagos.
This thing is very cheap in the north, far north. Hey, if you go to Maiduguri, hey, very, very cheap.
I don't know which one is cow, which one is donkey.
Are you talking about Jackie? Jackie skin that is very, very expensive that somebody will come and keep for you here that they are exporting to Lagos. See, the only thing you can see in this Ebonyi state in the market, some market though, not even all the market, is the Jackie meat. The meat itself, that's what they sell and eat in this Ebonyi state. But you see that skin, who will come and put Jackie skin for you to eat? Hey, do you know how much? Do you know that is that what people that deal on the skin? Do you know how many people have turned to billionaires? Millionaires. Okay, let me not say billionaire. Let's say millionaire and multi-millionaires because of that Jackie skin you are seeing like that. Ha! Don't go there.
They use it for.
That's one of the, in fact, one of the highest paying business that Zambo people, in fact, invest in. That's where majorly they kill the Jackie that I know in this Ebonyi state. That I know, Jackie. You know, probably other people too kill it. I don't even know if they kill it inside this
Jackie is not camel.
Jackie, is it not donkey?
Donkey, okay.
Jackie is camel.
Not camel. Camel is the one they use in salad desert. Jackie should be donkey.
I don't even know which one. These are open space shops, okay? These houses that you're seeing, this one is pink, we have blue, we have green, we have yellow, we have, in fact, is it gray or something like that, okay? These houses are open space shops that are inside, where all these people that are staying outside are meant to be, okay? So to avoid all these rain, harsh weather conditions, okay, whereby people need to walk in and buy. But then, you know, I don't know if the place is filled, that's why people are outside, or it's because it's a Saturday, okay, I don't know. But before, the number of people that used to be outside were lesser during Dave Umai's time, but now there are more these days, okay? When you come, you find out that they almost block the road, okay? that people will not even you'll be looking for how to pass, okay? So just keep watching, keep enjoying the vlogs. This market is very very big. In fact, I did not cover all the markets and I had to cut out some of the videos, but I didn't want to cut too much. I still want you to see a lot in the market, so that at least when they say, do you know Abakaliki International Market, you say, yes, I've been there. I've been there with Helen's Corner. I've been there through her lens. I've walked around the market. I've All right guys, so just keep enjoying the video. Like, share, subscribe if you're new, okay? Just keep watching. So I and my husband, we are talking about the Jackie business here in Ebonyi State, peculiar with Izambo people anyway, okay? For the Jackie business, Jackie is donkey, in case you don't know, okay? That donkey skin, I don't know why it's so dear, but it has made a lot of people millionaires and multi-millionaires in this Ebonyi State. That donkey skin, okay? There is a place in Izambo, a slaughterhouse for donkey, okay? So that is why you keep seeing majority of the time, though not all the time, that you will see meat in white rubber. You assume it's donkey. Majority of the time, fried meats are being carried around the state in white rubber, and in fact, let's say almost more than 50% of the time it is donkey meat. So in case you visit Ebonyi State and you see fried meat inside rubber, ask questions so before you eat it. But if you can eat any meat, feel free and enjoy it. After all, it's not bad for the health. So when you hear people talk about the health benefits, you see them uphold it even more than the cow meat. They will tell you that it is better than cow meat.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams is a modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away.
Those things like this. Is it a great that place for encouragement? How oge shift like
yeah, I got big boy. Yeah, it's not like that.
If you're watching till now, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay? Like and share, okay? Also drop your comments at the comment section so we can have interaction over there. This is another place I'll go. This is cornflakes. Cornflakes. You know, things are getting difficult, so the conference
yeah.
Golden one
From the same company for another company.
They say it's the same company. They'll tell you it's Kellogg's, it's Nestle, but
so they don't package. The cost of packaging will not be there.
Yes,
So
the cost of packaging will not be there, so it will not be expensive. Yes, so that's what those my group people were telling me, that we should start sharing.
Cornflakes. With cornflakes.
Yes, that we should start sharing cornflakes. I think we should pass this front, right? We pass here when we were going the other side, right? So let's pass this back. And this one.
And you can see at the afternoon.
And let's see, I'm an international market. I've seen it in the morning. Let me pass this side too, so that people will also see what is
Trending
at the back here. I don't know. Since the front, they've seen it like this. So let me pass the back here. Let them see the back. So.
Oh, that's one. Isn't good. Just a ton there.
It's enough.
And this one way they play for it, we don't come out. So,
Ota for house I hear can have a
where I drop?
I forget how much I shop. They are the ones that own all the shop at the back. Also here can you know, people will not come in to come and look for except me go to Kedinero. You know, so most of them except those people now like Iban images why.
That's
see, most of them sit there. You got fair and yeah. Manga film, yeah, Kamatata film. It's better let me go and turn back. Can I pass it?
why not? Speed your tire now. Don't can drive.
Can't drive home. I can't pass you.
Why can't you pass there?
These three.
Yes, now put your leg here, you pass.
Okay,
Say you
let me
can
try.
pass there.
Let me try.
Position is there.
Do you think I'm going the right way?
Yes, you are going the right way. Be going.
Ah.
Be going.
You people should give me lottery. I just won lottery.
Small.
I don't believe that I can pass here. So this is where we are going to end this video. If you enjoy watching, give it a like, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah.